Good morning to Dr. Sharita and all my friends. My name is Chong Hui Sin and I would like to present our assignment 2 about multi-device interaction. Alright, so these are the content in this slide. Next, I would like to present the introduction. So what is multi-device interaction? Multi-device interaction in HCI redefines user engagement by enabling seamless interaction across multiple devices. Unlike traditional single-device models, this model distributes functionality among various devices, enhancing user experience and productivity. So there are three key features for this multi-device interaction. The first one is cross-device interaction. It start an activity on one device and continue on the others. Next is synchronization. The data and preference syncs across devices for uninterrupted access. Last is unified interface. It adapts to various screen size and input method. Alright, for the needs for multi-device interaction in HCI have 4. The first one is flexibility and adaptability. Second is enhanced collaboration and communication. Third is seamless continuity across devices. And the last is integration of diverse devices. So for the first point I would like to explain about needs is flexibility and adaptability. In this statement, it enables users to choose the most suitable device for a given task or context. It enables users to leverage the unique capabilities of each device for different tasks and enable users to transition between devices seamless based on their context and needs. So, in this case, it enhances accessibility for users with diverse needs and preference. Alright, so due on the time limit, I will not explain the point about enhanced collaboration and communication. I will explain the next point. Next point I would like to explain is seamless continuity across devices. In this statement, it enables seamless synchronization of data, content, and user preference across devices. It also enables innovative use cases that leverage the strength of different devices and enhance user engagement by providing a holistic view of their digital ecosystem. Alright, so in this slide, it provides the example for seamless continuity across devices. The example is Apple Continuity. In this example, the user can connect their devices, all the devices, by using a Apple account, which is they can connect the Mac, iPad, Apple Watch, and iPhone in one time. So it helps them to complete their job easily and save their time. Alright, so for the last point of the need is integration of diverse devices. The example for this point is the security measurement and the smart home. As example, the smart home can control terminals such as smartphone, personal computer, and TV box by their phone application. Yes, that's all from me. I will pass to my friends to explain more about the assignment.
Then the third one will be the current trend of multi-device interaction in Malaysia. So for the first one will be the proliferation of smart devices. The second one is the emphasis on cross-platform compatibility, integration of mobile apps and wearable devices, and also the growth of digital ecosystem and e-commerce platform. So now let us proceed to the future of multi-device interaction related to HCI. So the first one will be the widespread adoption in which the multi-device interaction will become more standard and ingrained into the daily life for each user of all ages and backgrounds. And the second point will be the disengagement of interaction. Furthermore, the future of multi-device interaction is guaranteed based on these aspects. such as the diverse collaboration scenarios, integrated and collaborative ecosystem, empowerment and ease of use, as well as the statistic on user readiness for the users open to interact with the multiple devices. Next, this diagram is basically the statistic on user readiness to engage with the multi-device interaction based on multiple factors such as the motivation factors, impediment factors, and also the characteristic of devices to be engaged is listed out with their data. So to conclude, the multi-device interaction has acted as a transformative paradigm in HCI in the way that it could change how users engage with digital technologies and how it could enhance user experience and address their needs. So from the slides, we have gone through the needs of multi-device interaction in HCI, the current trends in Malaysia, future advancement, and also the impact on user experience, which the multi-device interaction has made a large contribution to our community, that it could ensure the seamless continuity across the devices by using the integration of mobile apps and wearable device to emphasize on cross-platform compatibility to drive the innovation and transformation across the domains. Now that's all for our presentation. Thank you very much.